When I was touched by an angel, I was saved from death. Wrap me inside of your hand, not a scratch laid on my head. When I was touched by an angel, God, you saved me, rearranged me, and you mold me, always told me how you love me, made me to be free. Have you ever heard of a saving grace? Have you ever seen such a gracious King? Have you ever felt a force so fierce, lighting the dark, found a peace so sweet?